with morethanguitar.com to show you how to play an acoustic version of the Nick Lowe song made popular by Elvis Costello, What's So Funny About Peace, Love, and Understanding. This song never really caught my ear until I heard it performed on the Colbert Christmas Special, and so that's how I'm going to teach it to you, played on the acoustic. Okay, we're going to start out with the chords like usual. Starts off on a G. First finger hangs. Your middle finger goes on the 5th string, 2nd fret. Ring finger goes on the 6th string, 3rd fret. Your pinky curls up and goes on the 1st string, 3rd fret. Play all 6 strings. To go to the C chord from there, pick your pinky up. Keep these 2 fingers exactly the same space and slide them over 1 string so that you wind up with your middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, your ring finger on the 5th string, 3rd fret, and then you're going to put your 1st finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret, and play 5 strings. The next chord I'm going to show you in this song is an E minor. Again, let the 1st finger hang, middle finger goes 5th string, 2nd fret, and then the ring finger is going to kind of stick behind it on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and play all 6 strings. The next chord is A7, and you usually go to it from the E minor chord, so we're going to do it that way here. I'm just going to move my ring finger over 2 strings, still on the 2nd fret, so I'll wind up on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. Middle finger goes over 1 string and winds up on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and you're going to play 5 strings. And now there's a lot of different ways to finger that, but that's the easy way to do it, going from the E minor and then back to the G. And then the D chord, of course. 1st finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret. Middle finger, 1st string, 2nd fret. And your ring finger goes in between them on the 3rd fret on the 2nd string. Play 4 strings. On the chorus, there's another variation on the D. We're going to play a G chord. And then we're going to play the D chord, but we're going to do something different. We're going to let this thumb come up and get the E string on the 2nd fret. You're also kind of muting the A string, although if it rings, it doesn't really do too much harm. That's the D/F sharp, or the D with the F sharp in the bass. The steady beat for this song is going to be a 16th pattern. The pattern behind everything I'm strumming is a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E. Now there's a lot of times when we won't be hitting all of those, but that's the basic pattern as shown in the introductory lick, which I'm going to show you now. Okay, the intro lick starts out with a 16th. So we're hitting most of those, leaving out some of the ups actually. So I'm going 1E and 2E, and after that I'm just hitting the downs. Now what's happening with the left hand? While I'm doing that, I'm playing a G chord. Basically, I'm moving these 2 fingers to the C chord, leaving the G root. And then picking them up, going back to the G chord rather. And then I'm going to put my 1st finger, actually it's easier to use your middle finger, on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And every time I pick up this middle finger, I'm going to want to kind of mute the 5th string with this, with my ring finger. So to play it slowly, C chord. To play it slowly from a different angle. This has been Brown with morethanguitar.com, and this has been how to play What's So Funny About Peace, Love, and Understanding, written by Nick Lowe as performed by Elvis Costello on the Colbert Christmas Special. And thank you for watching. As I walk through this wicked world,